Hi dear Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising singles. This is a reading for singles. So I'll tap into your past energy, recent past energy, present energy, near future energy, and messages from the universe. I'll see what messages are coming for you, and guidance, or you can say, and what is going to happen till the end of December. Let's see December. This is a reading for December. Okay, so let's start Virgo. Your recent past energy. Let's see. As it is reading for December, it might resonate with you right now. It will in the future. Okay, December. Let's see what was your recent past energy, Virgo. Four of Cups. Okay, I feel like you were having offers of love, but you were waiting for someone else. Okay, you were having a partner, might be, or you were in a relationship already, but you were waiting for something else or someone else because you were not getting what you want. It was like dissatisfied, very dissatisfied and very confused and conflicted, not able to decide regarding the love situation in your life. You were like, I don't know what I'm wanting, I don't know what I'm feeling. It's like you have someone in your life, but you are waiting for somebody else. This is the situation. Let me clarify the Four of Cups in the recent past for you. Three of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, see, you were trying your best to make this connection work out with whomsoever you were. You were trying your best to make this connection work out with them. You were deeply hurt by the situation, but you were not ready to give up because you were really passionate about this person and you wanted them and only them at any cost. And that's why you were conflicted. You were really passionate about someone and you were really wanted to make things work out between you guys, and you were like not ready to give up on the situation. Okay, cool. So let's see what's your present energy, your current energy. Let's see, Virgos, your current energy right now is Eight of Pentacles. Okay, you are trying to make things work out. It's like, I feel like you have shifted your focus towards your money part. You have shifted your total focus is right now on making money, making your future better, be financially independent, be your own boss. It's like, yeah, you are just trying to work out on a situation. It could be financial situation, it could be a personal situation. I have to clarify this, but for most of you, I feel like you are shifting your focus more towards the future, more towards the money part, Pentacles part. Let me clarify the Eight of Pentacles. The Hanged Man, the Ten of Swords, and the Eight of Wands. Okay, I can see that you're stuck on some situation. You're stuck on the past. You're literally stuck on the past. You are feeling betrayed. You are feeling backstabbed. You are feeling like, what the hell? Why things didn't work out? I just worked so hard on this situation. And you're just hoping for a communication and make things work out between you and the past person, whomsoever you were stuck on in the past as well. Right now also, I feel like a stuck energy between you and them, and you just want to communicate with them. You feel like the worst is over, the past is over, now I should open up, now I should make things work out between me and this person, and you just want to communicate. You just want to have back and forth communication with this person. You want things to work out between you guys anyhow. You want to make this connection work out. Okay, got it. Roles can be reversed also. It's like they could also be, doing this. Let me see what will be your near future energy. Six of Pentacles. Again, it's about money. I feel like there will be equal give and take of energy. Finally, I feel like singles, even if you're single, I feel like somebody from the past or somebody whom you are manifesting subconsciously is coming to you, and there will be equal give and take of energy from both the sides, and there will be reciprocation from their side. See, it could be you, it could be them who is, just wanting this from you. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles. Two of Cups and the Page of Swords and the Devil. My God, I feel like finally you are going to realize that both of you are soulmates, and you are going to cut out the negativity, the toxicity, and if there is a third party, I feel like you're going to cut out the third party. I feel like most probably this is them doing that. In the near future, I can see this person coming to you because they will realize that you are their soulmate, and you guys will have equal give and take of energy, equal participation from both the sides, and I feel like this person is watching over you. They are cutting the negativity, they are cutting the toxicity, and if there was a third party between you guys, I can see this person clearly cutting the third party from their situation and looking towards you because they feel like you are their soulmate, or this connection is the one that is made for them. Okay, this is the near future energy. Finally, you are going to get what you want. Finally, you are going to meet them halfway. They are ready to meet you halfway. Let me see what the messages are coming out for you from the universe, what is happening. Somebody new is coming, or if somebody from the past is coming. Already somebody from the past is coming, I can see that. Hanged Man. The universal guidance is telling me, you can treat it as a guidance, that the universe wants you to see the things from a different perspective. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck, and don't get into this energy of like, don't be adamant. Basically, you have to be flexible, you have to be open, you have to be like, yeah, I will see what will happen. So it's like you have to remove the stuck energy. You have to come out of the stuck energy, and you have to see the things from a different point of view, so that you can realize something is not as you are seeing it. Something is really very different from the you can say from the way you imagined it. Let me clarify. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse, the Six of Wands, and the Three of Cups. Okay, I feel like the healing will be done. Everything is going to be done. There will be reconciliation. There will be talks of marriage and or long-term stability, because there was lack of stability between you guys. There was lack of commitment between you guys. Now the universe is telling me that there will be somebody who's coming to you for reconciliation. Somebody will be ready for a reconciliation, and somebody will be ready for a marriage, for a long-term committed relationship as well. But as of now, they will not be ready for, you can say, marriage. But yes, they will talk about the commitment part. This is the thing. Okay, this is what the universe is telling me. This is the message that I'm getting from the universe. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till the end of December. Chariot. Success, victory. Some kind of success is coming towards you, some kind of victory is coming towards you. I feel like somebody is coming towards you, and they're very, very determined that they're going to get you, or they're going to make this relationship work out this time. Somebody is very, very passionate. Somebody is very, very determined to get you. Let me clarify. Four of Swords in reverse, and Six of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, somebody will be not able to wait any longer, and they are ready to have a peaceful resolution. They are ready to have a peaceful solution to the problems that you guys faced in the recent past, and they're ready to work out on this connection. They're ready to put in effort and put in energy in this connection with you. So somebody is coming towards you, and they just want victory and success with you, and nothing else. Nothing less than victory or success. Because now they can't wait any longer. They want a peaceful solution. They want a peaceful life with you, and they are ready to put in effort and put in energy on this connection with you. Okay, this is a good news. So thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste Virgos, bye bye, see ya.